Lwandle's girlfriend claims that Ulwandle is the father of her baby, while DNA test results show that Ulwandle is definitely not the father of the baby, 0% probability, but Ulwandle thinks that maybe it's because the baby is still small. Kanjani Lwandle? Kanjani because DNA. And ugele uthi ingane yaziwa unina. So nje ingane kaLwandle. And Maqale did say that ingane we'd have to do a DNA test to prove that the baby is indeed Lwandle's baby. Umsele already wanted to go and pay for damages. Umaqale athi nope, not now. Let's first prove first. Kanti ngathi beyazi ukuthi hi khona kushamanzi. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on ingane zesithembu. So apparently now the parents are not keen on supporting this relationship kaLwandle no Ntombazane Ukhwezi. Ukhwezi says that they've been together for 6 years now. And I wonder if this is true. Where was she all along when they were airing Ingane Zesithembu and she never appeared? I'd say they've been together for this long and they've been girls trying to take Ulwandle away from her. But nje she's not going anywhere. Usekhona and she's going nowhere. Well, she came to Mzumbe to see Ulwandle and coming with the baby, the alleged baby that is said not to be Lwandle's baby. Apparently, even coming there, it's sneaking in because the family, the parents, Umacele, does not want anything to do with Untomazana Ukhwezi and the baby because a DNA test result it's akuyona ingane kaLwandle. I remember kuThando Nesithembu when Umacele met the lady, she said that Ugel is saying that she's pregnant, but we'll have to do a DNA test. And Umselegu must not be pushing for more damages because we have to prove first ukuthi ingane kaLwandle. But DNA test results athi cha ingane akuyona kaMselegu. uLwandle is excluded. 0% probability, not even like a certain, no, zero, as in like there's no chance at all that Ulwandle could be the father. But Ulwandle believes that no, man, it's because the baby is still small, and Ulwandle thinks that they can do another DNA test, because even the girl was saying that she's pushing for the second DNA test because she believes that ingane as well Nina, she says that a woman knows her ways, so she is sure that Ulwandle is the father of the baby. And Ulwandle says that he had plans nontombazane ukuthi he is going to marry her and they're going to keep on having more kids manje nje. But uMacele uyalwa. Macele doesn't want anything to hear about Ukhwezi and the baby because DNA test results have proved ukuthi uLwandle is not the father of the baby. As you can see, also Gail is outspoken, like the way she goes on and on about Ulwandle needs to stand up for himself, stand up to his mom, because he's thinking like busy, mommy, in 25 years, like half of 50, and he's still going, mommy, kanjani. He needs to stand up for himself because Ulwandle was like, no man, I'm going to talk to them. I'm going to so that they come on board, because now it's like Ulwandle is trying to be in this child's life or this baby's life and in Kwezi's life, even though the parents said that they want nothing to do with it because DNA results prove that Ulwandle is not the father of the baby. But Ulwandle is still delulu saying no, Umaqale does not approve of the baby, akafuni nje ukuzwa lutho ngengane because DNA results ke kaloku. And Ulwandle saying that maybe it's because the baby is still small. Kanjani Lwandle? Are you that naive to say that DNA test results can say 0% probability and you still say that maybe it's because the baby is still small, maybe if the baby is older, my DNA test results will suddenly say that you are the father of the baby? Or maybe they're pushing a narrative to just sell us a storyline to prove ukuthi they did say because there have been ladies who are coming to say Lwandle impregnated them while they were lying, and now they're trying to push this narrative. I hope they're not doing this for views, because how is it that Ulwandle still thinks that he's the father of the baby while DNA test results say he is not the father? Kanjan. And obviously you cannot blame Macele if the results say 0% probability, because how are you trying to push the baby, if Ulwandle is the father of the baby, when the results are clear that he is not? So, like, you cannot expect a family Amselegu to say now we want to take responsibility, we want to come and pay for damages, we want to be part of the baby's life, while it's clear that the baby is not Amselegu. Now, Ulwandle says he's going to make a plan, he's going to talk to his parents, abancenge, so that they come on board. Ati and Kinga Gutumacele doesn't want to hear anything, she does not approve, so maybe he needs to try and talk to his dad. Ubabakhe uyo maybe ozomamela. Ntombazana uthi nokuze emzume nje she's sneaking in because nje abafuni ukuzwa ngaye. So now Ulwandle naku, why is Ulwandle eMzumbe? Is Lwandle now staying eMzumbe? Akahlali noma wakhe eSipark or in the new house that they're staying in. Yeah, it's all confusing, Jay. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.